The average professional spends 9.3 hours per week searching for information according to IDC research. Para reduces this to near zero because every piece of information has exactly one logical home. Projects, short-term efforts with a deadline. Areas, long-term responsibilities with a standard. Resources, topics of ongoing interest. Archives, inactive items from the other three. That's it. Every single digital item fits into one of these four buckets. Para is organized by actionability, not by topic. A health article goes in projects if you're actively on a diet, in areas if you maintain fitness as an ongoing responsibility, in resources if you're casually interested, or in archives if you completed a health goal. The genius of Para is that it works identically everywhere. Create the same four folders in your file system: note-taking app, cloud storage, and bookmarks. When information flows between apps, it always has the same home. No more searching 5 different places. Full setup walkthrough implementing Para in Notion, Google Drive, and the local file system simultaneously, showing how the same structure mirrors across all 3 platforms. Implement Para right now. Create 4 folders, move your 10 most recent files, and experience the clarity. My free Para setup guide is linked in the description.